Okay, hello, good night everyone. So now it's 12:24 a.m. on the time GMT plus 8, which is on the night time on the Singapore time and also on the morning time on the US time. So now when you can see on the daily chart of the Bitcoin, you can clearly see that on the Bitcoin chart there's an exponential upward moving for about 30% since on the 1st of January. So now when we can see for here, we can go to open the TD to see for the exactly here. So when we see at the TD, you can see that they have a 9 and 30 on the last few days. Usually when there's a 30, the price should move down. But now they didn't have this kind of moving. So when you go to the last time below, you can clearly see that when there's a 9, this indicates that there's a bottom here. Also same for the last time. Also we go to the last time ago. You can clearly see that when there's a 9, this indicates that there's the bottom. So when there's a 30 or 9 on the green type, which means that there's nearly the top. So as you can see from here, there's a 9, 9, 9 here. So there's a daily chart. You can see which is it's now already at 13 there. So we should be more focused on this. So let me see on the 12-hour chart. So same 13 here, 6 hour, same 4 hour, also same 3 hour, 3 hour 9 here, 2 hour, same 1 hour nice here around on the 4 p.m. today. So I think it hit the top resistance 15 minutes. Also exactly the same. So let's go to the other method. So we go to the MA here. So we can see that on the moving average, all of the moving average you can see here for the 5 day, 7, 50. So all did already move upward from the daily chart. So only the 360 day didn't cross above. So this is a very bullish signal, which means that all of the chart already above the moving average. So let's go to the 2-day chart. Same 2 day already above there, 3 day. So now hit the 90-day resistance there, almost. Good signal also. Flatten out. 5 day. Big huge jump out. 1 week. Same huge jump. Maybe the next support will be around 29k, something like this. Great. 1 month. Okay, 1 month also not that bad. A green candle, very bullish. 12 or uptrend. So for the smaller time frame, no need to see, all above the moving average. So let's go to the Bollinger Band. So as you can see for the Bollinger Band, when you go upward like this, normally it should need to at least go back to the so at least he should go back to the white line here around 1x, something like this. So when we go here, I estimate around 19,000 here, he will hit there and bounce back because the price need to go down for the 1 day. For the 12 also similar. Maybe the price didn't go down. We can move sideways or around 21k here, and the price will correct itself. 6 hour almost. 4 hour already hit. 3 hour, 1 hour already hit. So this is a Bollinger Band. So we go to the MACD. Okay, let's see on the MACD chart here. So we can clearly see that on the MACD chart for 1 day, this is a very bullish candle, which is the breakthrough here for the zero resistance here, and go for the upside. Now we will wait to see some correction about here to see for the further moving. So let's go to the 2 day. Same uptrend. 3 day. Also same. You can see here almost hit on the middle line. You can see that during the last year August, when the price they hit above the zero line MACD here, the price go very bullish. Afterward, they straight away go to the 69k above the trend. So when the MACD move above the zero line on the 3-day chart, which means there's a very bullish signal. 5-day approaching, 1 week also same approaching. Last time for the 1 week chart, when the price above the zero moving average is around 2020 there, 2020 March, around 2020 May. So when it go above there, it become a summer. So it come out of the already bull market. So we can see for the shorter time frame around 4 hours. Okay, now it going down a bit. So okay, same. So lastly, we can go to the KDJ. Okay, so we can go to the 1-day chart. So we can see for the KDJ here, we already do upward more than 80%. So usually we indicate that there will be a sideways or at least some drawdown here, because there will be a cross here to make some drawdown to go back for the 50 or even go back to the 20. Maybe not drawdown, maybe some sideways around this. For the 6-hour chart, same, already sideways. 4 hour, 1 hour chart already go sideways on the downtrend. 15-minute. Okay, so we can go for the 2-day. So maybe some small correction here. Same. 1 week. So 1 week currently is approach the middle. So I see that if there will be some moving uptrend here. So you can see for the last time 2021 July, June. So I foreseen if there will be some comeback, they will at least at 30k, something like this, 30 to 40k to hit for the last time support around 2022 May, around the Terra Luna time. So at least for the foreseeable future, it will be comeback. Okay, so let me make a conclusion here. For the mid to long term, it's very bullish. It will approach 30k or even 35 to 40k maybe in the next few months. So for the short-term time frame, it will be some small correction or even some sideways. So that's all for today. So see you next time.